Morning students, in this video I will teach you how to write a job application letter. So apart from other letters like letter of inquiry, like letter of placing order, like letter of complaint, letter to editor, we have one more question, that is how to write a job application letter, which some students feel a little bit difficult, but there is nothing like that. In this video I will solve all your problems regarding how a job application letter should be written. Well, dear children, after completing your education, after passing all your classes, what you normally do? You can't sit at home. Naturally, every child, every student wants to make his or her career. So you somewhere you get to know or come to know about the vacancies, and you write letters, or you post your application letter to the concerned office. So I want to ask you one question. Do you need to write a letter to apply for a job? Yes, most of the time the answer is yes. Even in the rare cases when employers do not require a job application letter, that may be, but in 95 or 99, more than 95% you need to write a letter or an application for any job. Such as in the case of the part-time jobs, writing one will help you highlight your skills and achievements and get the hiring manager's attention. Dear children, I am going to read some tips for writing a job application letter. Please listen it very carefully. A job application letter, also known as a cover letter, should be sent or uploaded with your resume. When resume, all your documents, detail of documents. When applying for jobs, while your resume offers a history of your work experience and an outline of your skills and your accomplishments, the job application letter you send to an employer explains why you are qualified for the position and should be selected for an interview. Means it is a brief introduction. The application is a brief introduction of yours in front of the employers about you. Writing this letter can seem like a challenging task. However, if you take it one step at a time, you will soon be an expert at writing application letters to send with your resume. Well, dear children, this letter is simply like that of an application. Only one thing is added into it, and that is your details, your personal details, as well as your qualification details, your educational details, and your experiences where you have worked already. Well, children, I'm putting one question in front of you all. See it how easy it is. You are Ram or Rajni living at 1 Rana Pratap Marg, New Delhi. Read the advertisement given below and apply for the job that suits you, giving your biodata separately. Sun University requires lecturers in English and demonstrators in physics, chemistry and botany for their new campus at Panipat. Candidates with a minimum of 5 years experience alone can apply. Excellent command of English is a must. Excellent package and compensation for experienced persons. Those interested may email to. The email has been given, or mail their responses to. The address has been given. Now, dear children, if you have seen the newspaper, you will find such requirements of the companies or the schools or any institution that want to hire their employees. So this is practically it practically happens actually. Then how if you are interested in writing to this university, what will you do? Look at the answer. First of all, your own address, Rana Pratap Marg, New Delhi, and then leave one line, date, then to whom you are writing your job application letter, and then subject for which post you are going to apply, and then you put sir and madam, and in response to your advertisement in the Times of India dated, you need to mention the date of the advertisement, not of the application, mind it. I wish to offer my candidature. I would like to bring into your notice that I possess all the aforementioned qualities required for the job. I am enclosing a copy of my biodata. So it's almost like an application, but one thing that is to be added is your biodata, that is called resume also, for your perusal, for thinking, for necessary action and kind consideration. I am available for the interview on any day of your convenience. If given a chance to serve you, I assure that I shall work with utmost sincerity and dedication up to your satisfaction. This is very important line, my dear children, and it is written by every employee that seeks a job. So please look it very carefully. So thank you, and yours faithfully. Keep one thing in mind: all the things are written in the left, nothing is there on the right side. This is the new American format of standard writing. So yours faithfully. If you're boy, you can write Ram. If you're girl, you can write name of the girl, Rajni. And ENCL stands for enclosures, means what have you written with your application. So you are putting your biodata. You will write your name, your father's name, date of birth, address and all, and your testimonials, means the qualification documents that you received after completing all your classes. That should not be original, always mind it, that should be the photocopy. So what should be written in the biodata? Your own name, your father's name, date of birth, your address, your phone number, mail, marital status, whether you are married or not, your age, nationality, academic qualifications, and your hobbies, strengths, experience, and names and addresses of references. If you know any dignitary or any, in any reputed organization, if you have already worked, you can write their references, and in this way you can write your job application letter. And now please get ready for your homework. Here it is. You are Anand Arti of 14 Model Town, Delhi, and you have seen an advertisement in the Hindu for the post of chief chef in a 5-star hotel. Apply for the job with complete biodata. Write in 125. It is actually 120 or 150 words. So that's all for today in this video. Thank you very much, and please do this question today itself. Thanks a lot.